Imagine fast, efficient, planned maintenance and repairs with less downtime and a deeply discounted labor rate. It might sound too good to be true, but it's not. Hi, I'm Tom Wiers. Many companies have enrolled in our Fleet Partner program so they too can save time, save money, and reduce repairs. Our program is designed for time-sensitive companies looking for a long-term solution without sacrificing short-term flexibility. Fleet Partners save time with next available bay priority, which gets their vehicles in and out of our shops faster, enabling them to deliver more products and services. Fleet Partners also save money with a deeply discounted labor rate that is as much as $80 lower than a typical dealer labor rate. Plus, the Wiers maintenance system ensures comprehensive maintenance and inspections specific for your vehicle type and application. The data is clear. Proper maintenance and inspections conducted at the right intervals reduce repairs and downtime by 20% or more. With the Wiers Fleet Partner program, you save time with next available bay priority, save money with a deeply discounted labor rate, and reduce repairs with the Wiers maintenance system. Stop overpaying for fleet service and repairs. Talk to a Wiers representative today or visit wiers.com/fleet partner program. We are Wiers and we make trucks roll.